Qatar National Day is a national commemoration of the Qatar unification in 1878. It is celebrated annually on 18th December. The holiday was established by a 21st June 27 degree of then the Crown Prince and heir apparently Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. It is also known as the Founders' Day. The National Day 2021 in Qatar has a lot of activities that will be taking place. This year's National Day activities will be held at several occasions, including Al Wakra, Old Souk, Aspire Park, Al Army Sports Club, Qatar Foundation, enabling citizens and expatriates to participate in them. The activities of the National Day will be held under the slogan "Ancestral Made Wars," a matter of trust which is based on the poetry of the founders Qatar, Sheikh Jassim bin Mohammed bin Thani. Live screening of activities will be available on giant screens at the same locations where they will be held. A group of cars bearing the flags of the state of Qatar will be distributed at the venues of the events to add the beauty of the place, enhance national belonging, and affirm adherence to national identity. Remember, Al Wakla Old Souk will host the activities and competitions, including the flock games, which will be held from December 14th to 18th, 2021. The flock games such as the Sad Road, Bal Bahol, and the Karim will bring the spirit of participation and competition among children. They will be held at the beach of the Souk. Another activities, Minjali Mokwatha, will be held in which visitors are received and hospitality is provided. In addition to the question competition, during which cultural information is presented, and it will be held from December 14 to 18. The same period will also witness the establishment of Al Farah Museum, which contains a collection of models that express ancient flock games, ancient ships, and handcrafts at Al Wakra Souk. The fine art event will be held from December 14 to 18. It is a direct drawing of the wildlife from the Qatari environment, such as the drawing plants and animals, land and sea, with the drawing of models from making drawings on traditional boats by Qatari artists. Children will make drawings and coloring plant pots to encourage them to cultivate. In addition to free drawing under Q&D slogan, provided that an exhibition of artists will be held during which their artwork will be displayed in areas inspired by the environment. Riding competition will also be held at Al Wakra Souk, where daily prizes will be distributed to participants, in addition to the final competition that will be held on December 18th for the winners of the daily competitions. The education sector will present several activities during Q&D celebrations, including environmental event and test of model wars, a matter of trust that reflects the interest and passion of the Qataris to love the earth through their initiatives in the fields of environment. 3 boys' schools and 3 girls' schools have qualified for this event. The schools will compete in the final of the event by presenting the activities of the environmental initiatives. The closing ceremony will be held on December 16. The education sector activities also include the adults that's counting the poem event in the competitive event that began in 2019 and aims to enhance the value of participation in this national occasion by reciting poems, reviving folklore, discovering, supporting, and promoting poetic talents. The best 5 participants from boys and girls schools will be shortlisted to compete in the event final December 17th at the Qatar Foundation as part of the national activities accompanying the Durisha Festival. A parade of activities of school students will be held from December 14 to 18 in Aspire Park and Al Wakla Old Souk, and December 12 and 13 of the Qatar Foundation within the associated activities of the Q&D celebration. Aspire Park will also host a number of events, including activities and competitions, including Al Muguta event, which will be held from December 14 to 18, during which visitors receive to exchange conversation. They will also be introduced to Qatari customs, traditions like how to prepare and serve Arabic coffee, in addition to offering a range of other activities such as the storytelling for visitors, playing the robib and popular puzzle competition, and the eqtway of the Majlis. The National Day activities will be held at the Dilo Safa Festival, which will be held at the Qatar Foundation from December 12 to 17, from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. The activities include play al-Kukou al-Shalal and the play the cake seller. The associated activities of the QNDB celebration at Al Mean Sports Club include shooting championship for professionals in addition to the establishment of other championship. The activities of the National Falco Day Championship will be organized by the Qatari Organized Society with the support of the organizing committee of the National Day. Remember, the celebrations of 2021 with the participation of the large number of locals. Apart from the aforementioned activities, many more activities will also be held to celebrate on that day. Remember, it is the same day of December 18 we shall hold the final of the FIFA Arab Cup 2021 final, and the champions will be crowned there and there. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel. Thank you so much for watching videos to this channel. See you again in the next video.